imagine it is the year 1521. Picture a young, proud Basque soldier who is no stranger to a life of excess, making a battlefield confession to a fellow soldier before a 6-hour fight. Outnumbered, outgunned. Yet, he refuses to accept retreat or surrender. Inigo Lopez Loyola suffered a crippling injury, underwent barbarous surgeries, and faced a prolonged recovery. This became the foundation for one of his most important gifts to the world, the discernment of spirits. And this was the beginning of the path this man would take to become Saint Ignatius Loyola, author of the Spiritual Exercises, another beautiful gift to the world, and founder of the Society of Jesus, commonly known as the Jesuits. His life was not without hardships, physical ailments, suspicions, imprisonments, but his path never wavered as he strove for what he called helping souls. Now imagine this incredible saint as your companion and guide, leading you ever closer to seeing God's hand at work in all things, encouraging you, challenging you, praying for you. Where will your life take you? Look deep in your heart.
Greetings of the day, everyone. Today, I will be reflecting upon the Ignatian ideology of finding God in all things. Finding God in all things beckons us to perceive the sacred in the ordinary. It encourages us to recognize the divine presence in the moments of joy and sorrow, success and failure, laughter and tears. Saint Ignatius of Loyola encourages us to seek God in all places and in all circumstances. His vision of spirituality, grounded in discernment and contemplation, inspires us to cultivate a deeper awareness of God's presence in our lives and in the lives of others. Thank you. Happy feast to all.